Advice and information from the experts. This is Ask the Expert. Here's Rob Carnie.
Greg Marcyniuk, Heritage Insurance on Ask the Expert today, and timely topic during this summertime. As you know, pool sales, hot tub sales went through the roof about a year ago when we were all tied down by COVID-19. So there's a lot of local families that have swimming pools in the backyard. And Greg, it's so important to follow all the safety tips you have today.
That's right, because when you have a pool, you're really increasing your responsibilities as a homeowner. So first and foremost, definitely within the city, you do have to install a fence, and other communities do require a fence around a private swimming pool. And you want to make sure that it's locked with a lock latch. And another big thing is maintaining proper pool hygiene and properly filter and chemically treat your pool. Babies should always wear swim diapers, and swimmers with any open wounds or illnesses should be kept out of the water. You want to make sure you have a really good non-slip surface around the pool, because that is a huge high risk of slips and falls. And make sure that the area around your pool is clean of any standing puddles of water, as all of those increase potentials for accidents, and with those accidents can come a liability claim. As well, make sure everybody that is swimming, that they require swimming ability. Like, be sure the children that are using the pool, they can swim. And if they cannot, make sure you have a parent or guardian there the full time while they're in the pool. And then as well, if you don't swim, life jackets or flotation devices should be worn by anyone that cannot swim. As far as storing your chemicals properly, make sure you keep them in a cool, dry place and away. Keep them away from fire hazards, as well as any lawn care products, fertilizers, or anything, because that's just an accident and fire waiting to happen. Other big thing is knowing first aid. And as a homeowner, again, you are responsible for the safety of all swimmers in your pool. So it's either a good idea, at the minimum, to take your CPR, and if you like, get the CPR, and everyone in the family can be around and enjoy it, because if there's ever an emergency, it's always best to respond to it accordingly. If you do have a pool and you haven't let your broker or let us know, you have to have special coverage in place, though, that there is liability there. So if anyone, I know we've had a few people that put the pools in, didn't notify us. And if you don't notify your broker that you do have a pool, you're opening yourself up to a huge exposure, because your policy may or may not correspond.
They take the hassle out of buying insurance guaranteed at Heritage Insurance. They'll review your coverages regularly to provide you with the best coverage for your insurance dollar, guaranteed. You can find these tips online at heritageinsurance.ca, but really it's best, Greg, to drop in.
That's correct. Come and drop in at the corner of Fairford and First West, and we'd be more than happy to provide copies of this and just give you a great service.
This has been Ask the Expert, your source for expert advice and information.